Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the current partial res value and saving a backup of the config. This prevents accidental loss. Next, close the application that uses the partial resolution and stop any background renderers so changes apply cleanly. Then open the settings or the config file with administrator access. You need write permissions. Once you have the editor open, locate the partial res parameter, often labeled partial resolution, render scale, or similar, so you can make the first precise change immediately. Now change the numeric value in small steps. For example, move from 0.75 to 0.9 rather than large jumps because you want a balance between quality and performance. Save the file and restart the application so the renderer reinitializes with the new setting. Observe visuals and frame timing, check on-screen stats or log output to validate the change. If possible, run a short benchmark or walkthrough to see the practical impact. Make further tweaks until you hit the desired quality performance trade-off. Finish by locking or saving the stable configuration and documenting the final partial res value along with system conditions so you can reproduce results. If you encounter artifacts, flicker, or performance drop, revert to the backup immediately and retry with a smaller adjustment. Often reverting halfway resolves instability. Also update drivers or check for conflicting overlays if the problem persists. One key troubleshooting tip. If the app fails to load after change, restore the backup config.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.